Boys History 11th lesson. Colonialism in Asia and Africa. Colonization in Asia. Colonization in Asia, Southeast Asia. The term Southeast Asia has only been used since the Second World War. So, this word Southeast Asia started using during the time of Second World War. During the time of Second World War. It denotes the area that originally covered Malaya, Dutch East Indies, Burma, Siam, French Indochina and Philippines. So, this area covers Malaya, Dutch East Indies, Burma, Siam, French Indochina and Philippines. With the exception of Siam. So, what is the old name for Thailand? Siam, which remained independent. The area was divided between the Dutch and the British and French. So, before independence, this Thailand was divided between Dutch, British and French. Malaya Peninsula. When European traders crossed the Indian Ocean at the close of the 15th century. European traders crossed Indian Ocean in which century? 15th century. They came for the species of Southeast Asia. Why did they come to Indian Ocean? Why did they cross Indian Ocean? So, for trade purpose, they were crossing Indian Ocean. So, during the time of crossing, they saw the fertility of Southeast Asia. So, they came for the species of Southeast Asia. So, particularly, they came the species trade for the Southeast Asia. When the Portuguese conquered the great international emporium of Malacca, so what is the meaning of emporium? Market, international market. Portuguese conquered. What is the meaning of conquered? Captured the great international market of Malacca for the king of Portugal, the empires of Sri Vijaya and Majapahit, and split into many small states. So, at that time, the empires of Sri Vijaya and Majapahit, these places splitted into many small states. Albuquerque, the Portuguese soldier who conquered Goa, he captured Goa and Malacca, and his successors were interested in the spice trade. So, before this Albuquerque, all soldiers were interested in the spice trade. Towards this end, they built a chain of fortified trading stations linked by naval power. So, what is the meaning of fortified? Strengthened. They strengthened the trading stations. Initially, they did not interfere with the native rulers. So, they didn't interfere, but they didn't interfere the native rulers. So, what is the meaning of native ruler? Native means what? One's birthplace. Ruler means what? Who governs the state or the country? He calls ruler. Okay, native rulers. They didn't interact with the native rulers. The Dutch began their conquest of the Portuguese settlements by capturing Malacca in 1641. So, the Dutch started the conquest of the Portuguese settlement in the year of 1641. After establishing a base at Batavia in 1619, they interfered succession disputes among the neighboring sultans. What is the meaning of disputes? Fight. Many fights happened that time. So, many fights happened that time among the neighboring sultans. Gradually, they extended their control over Java. So, they extended their control over. They prolonging their control over Java. Extend means what? To make longer, very longer. Okay. Expelling the British from Bantam in 1682. What is the meaning of expel? Send away by force. Okay, send away. That is the meaning of expel. They had already driven them out of the spice islands after the massacre of Ambonia. So already they have driven out. What is the meaning of driven out? The same meaning, sent away. Already they were sent away. When after the massacre of Ambonia. So Ambonia is the king name. Massacre means what? Large murder. Okay, very cruel murder. That is only called massacre. And by the Caesar of Makassar. So Makassar also one person name, king name. Thereby forcing the England East India Company to turn to the China trade. The Spanish established themselves beginning from their conquest of Manila, which expanded into a larger territory. So the Spanish established themselves. They started their journey from Manila. Okay. So colonization in Asia. So we have completed this. So now Anglo-Dutch rivalry. Penang Island had been brought to the attention of the East India Company by Francis Light. So Francis Light is one person name, king name. Penang Island is one place name. So Penang Island is under the control of East India Company. So who is the head of East India Company? Francis Light. In 1786, the settlement of Georgetown was founded at the northeastern tip of Penang Island. So Georgetown also one place name. Settlement means what? Condition of being settled. Some treaty or some agreements are signed for this Georgetown place. This marked the beginning of British expansion into the Malay Peninsula. So this marked only the beginning place for the British. For what? For the expansion of Malay Peninsula. In 1819, Stamford Raffles established Singapore as a key trading post. So Stamford Raffles also one person name. He established Singapore as a key trading post for Britain in their rivalry with the Dutch. So rivalry means what? Fight with the Dutch. Okay. However, their rivalry cooled. Their rivalry ended in 1824. What is the meaning of cooled here? Ended. When an Anglo-Dutch treaty democrated their respective interests in Southeast Asia. By 1826, Singapore and Malacca had been linked with Penang to form the Strait settlements. So afterwards, Singapore and Malacca linked. Between 1874 and 1895, there was a civil war between the remaining 5 Malay states. So many civil wars happened. The British intervened and signed an agreement with each of the sultans. So British interfered and signed an agreement with the each sultans. British residents were appointed to the courts of sultans. So British officials were appointed. In 1896, 4 of the states were formed into the Federated Malay States. So how many Malay states are formed? In 1896, 4 Malay states were formed. In 1900, there were the Strait settlements. So what is the meaning for strait? Narrow water connecting 2 places. So one connected area in water route is called strait. The population was about 1 million, of whom half were Malay and the remainder were Chinese. So but population was million, so half of the Malay were Malay and the remainder were Chinese. So among million of population, half were Malay, half were Chinese. Okay. Most of the merchants, planters and workers in the ports and big plantations were Chinese. So most of the big plantation workers and agriculture workers were Chinese. Economically, Malaya was prosperous, fertile. Indonesia. The Dutch had occupied Java and Sumatra in 1640, but they captured the other islands of East India only in the second half of the 19th century. But they captured East India only the second half of the 19th century. Initially, the Dutch were not interested in politics. So actually, Dutch didn't show any interest in politics, but from the beginning of the 20th century, they adopted measures for the social and economic advance of the people. Most Indonesians were fishermen and small peasants and worked on European sugar, tobacco, tea, coffee plantations. So most of the Indonesians were worked in the sugar, tobacco, tea, coffee plantation. Heavy investments in Chinese plantation, in these plantations and other concerns, and the discovery of oil in 1900. So oil was invented in 1900. Burma. The British conquered Burma after fighting 3 wars. After 3 wars, British captured which place? Burma. Burma remained part of India from 1886 to 1937. So Burma is one part of India in the year of 1886 to 1937. Burma was administered by a lieutenant governor with the assistance of a nominated legislative council. So Burma was administered by a, who was the administrator of Burma? Lieutenant governor. So lieutenant is the person name. Burma teak was shipped overseas. So Burma's teak is very famous. In addition, Burma with its fertility of soil became a big exporter of rice. So Burma was also famous for soil and rice also. During World War II, when Burma fell to the Japanese, South India experienced acute scarcity of rice leading to a famine. So scarcity means what? Not enough food. Okay. Indochina. The French conquered Indochina after strong resistance from the people. Starting in 1858, they brought the Indo-Chinese Union under their control by 1887. Indochina consisted of places of Annam, Tonkin, Cambodia, Cochin China. Okay, Indochina consists of these places. Laos was added after 6 years. So after 6 years, Laos also added. Of them, only Cochin China was directly under French control, but French take over the control of Cochin China. Okay, the remaining 4 were protectorates. Okay, protectorates means governed by British, and British didn't interfere any local problems. Okay, under this system, the local rulers remained, but they governed under the instructions of French residents. Okay, I already told, no, British or French are ruled, but they didn't interfere in any political or local issues. Okay, Hanoi was the capital of the French government. So which was the capital of the French government? Which place? Hanoi. Rice, rubber and wheat were the main exports. Laos remained undeveloped. So Laos continuously remained undeveloped, not developed. The Philippines. Spain ruled the Philippines for over 300 years, imposing its language, culture and religion. Consequently, the population became predominantly Roman Catholic. So main religion was what? Roman Catholics. Okay, nationalism developed among the Philippines during the later part of the 19th century. So nationalism developed after 19th century. There were two serious revolts in 1872 and 1896. Revolts means what? Fight. Which were crushed by the Spanish. Crushed means ended by the Spanish. In 1898, however, Spanish was defeated by the United States in a war over Cuba, and as a result, Philippines became an American colony. Siam. What is another name for Thailand? Siam. Thailand was spared the experiences of foreign rule, though it too was greatly affected by the power politics of the Western powers. So, Thailand was greatly affected by the Western powers. The administrative reforms of the late 19th century continuing up till 1910. So, what is the meaning of 19th century? 1900. The same administration system continuing up till the year of 1910 imposed a westernized form of government on the country's partially independent cities called Mueang. So, partially, halfly independent cities are called Mueang. Western powers, however, continue to interfere in its internal and external affairs. Thank you, boys.